Saving money on croissants can be easy with a few smart strategies, and here are some tips. Number one, make them at home. Baking croissants from scratch can be more cost effective than buying them at a bakery. There are many recipes available that require basic ingredients like flour, butter, and yeast. All right. Number two, buy in bulk. Purchase frozen croissants in bulk from wholesale stores or supermarkets. This often reduces the cost per unit, and you can bake them fresh as needed. Number three, look for sales. Keep an eye on local bakeries or grocery stores for sales or discounts, especially at the end of the day when they may mark down items to reduce waste. Okay? Number four, use coupons. Check for coupons or promotions offered by bakeries or grocery stores. Many offer discounts on baked goods. All right. Number five, choose store brands. Opt for store brand croissants instead of name brands, as they are often cheaper while still offering good quality. All right. Number six, make croissant sandwiches. Buy plain croissants and use them to make sandwiches or breakfast items. This can help stretch your budget by making them more filling. All right? Now, by applying these strategies, you can enjoy delicious croissants while saving money.